everyone, Einat Kessler here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you the new junk journal that I made with my new papers. So I have my new Scary Nights Halloween journal kit, and these are the pages. You can fold them in half. Look how pretty that is. This would be great for like the first page or the cover. You have the skulls and the pumpkins. Next page has a witch, and I really like all the colors of these papers. And then you have some background papers. You have 16 pages altogether in this kit. You have patterns, you have backing papers or background papers, you have feature or signature papers with like a large focal point. See that skull there? Isn't that gorgeous? And then this can be for a background or for a page on its own. I love this one with the skull in the moon and all the haunted houses and graveyards. And this, you have some patterns. This is the first pattern with pumpkins, and then you have the witch with the boo and the haunted trees. This is the skull page, and this, I love this page. These are the stripes or the belly bands or whatever you want to use it for. And then you have 4 pages with tags and tickets and journaling cards and all kinds of embellishments that you can add. So you have the tickets and different sizes of tags. Here you have some tabs on the bottom. You can make holes and add dangles, and then you have different size of tags as well. I really love all the colors. And then this one is journaling cards. I made them brighter so you can write on them because the other colors are quite dark. I really love this paper collection. And then here you have your belly bands and some more tags. You have longer bands and shorter bands. You can make them into small pockets. You can cut them in half. I really love this kit. It is going to be available at my Ko-fi, and I'm going to have a link to that below so you can check it out and get this for just a few bucks and make all kinds of awesome projects with it. So go ahead, grab it, check it out at my Ko-fi. There is a link in the description under the video. I wanted to show you the junk journal / mini album that I made from the Scary Night Halloween paper collection that I showed you. So this is the cover, and we have here a tassel, a really nice one with little beads and an owl, a skull here, and like a mask of some sort, scary mask, and some lace, and all kinds of trims and ribbons. And in the front we have our pumpkins with little witch's hat that I have made, and there is a hidden pocket here. And then we have our cheesecloth closing the excuse me, the junk journal. Inside we have lots of dangles. I got actually a little bit carried away with all the little charms and dangles that I made. This one, it has a hand and one of Tim Holtz's bones that I have attached with some very thin wire that I wrapped around. And this actually can decide if you want on the side or on the top. This is a lace pocket with one of the tags from the collection. This is from the Paperwork number 38. If you remember, this was the first paper that I designed. It's just a flap like this. So you can get this paper. This is Paperwork number 38. You're going to go ahead and download this. Here we have a belly band. This is a tag from my Halloween ephemera kit. Again, I'll link everything below so you can go ahead and grab everything and download it. This is my favorite tag from that ephemera kit. It has all kinds of tags and things. And this is a little envelope with some tea stain paper. Like I said, got very carried away with all the dangles. This is like a cross, black and blingy. And here we have a trim, and all throughout the junk journal we have cobwebs or mummy bandages, or you can, whatever you want, spider webs throughout. And here you have the dangle on the other side. This is what I like about it. This one has 31 turns and then opens into an accordion. This is, again, all the tags are in the collection. Here we have another dangle with a little bat and some other bats. And a side pocket. Double-sided tag, and here we have a pocket inside with another belly band. On the other side, again, a dangle. This one has these clasp that you press against something. They're double-sided and they have little teeth that catches whatever it is that you want. This one is with a skull. Another belly band with lace, and this is a fussy cut from one of the papers. This is another tag with a pocket and a little zine that I made, and in the zine again you have tags. You have a lot of room to add photos and journaling. Have another pocket here if you want. So this is one tag, and this is, again, opens up for photos, for journaling. This one is a tuck spot on the top here. And again, we have a dangle with the black raven and an owl with a chain. You have all this is kind of a cheesecloth. We have it here also that I dyed with some distress inks. Again, this one is also dyed. I have another pocket here with a little notebook. Can go this way, can go this way for journaling. Again, this is from the Paperwork number 38. This is the other side of the dangle, sort of the middle. We have a charm, a dangle, whatever Halloween dangle here with a little skull, paper clip. This is actually an orange ribbon that I dyed added a little bit of darkness to it. Really like how that color turned out. Some more dangles. This one has two sides with a skull on both sides, and then this creepy eye. Really like this one. Again, this is from the ephemera kit, the double-sided pocket with the tags. From the paper collection, this is like a tuck spot. Here we have the witch's page. This is our eye again. We have a little tuck spot with, these are the lighter tags that you can write on. And here we have like a split page with a paper clip. You can tuck anything under it, and there's this owl. And here we have another paper clip with a cobweb or spider web charm that I made. And this one is a hidden paper clip that comes out. You can add. This one was on the other side of the paper clip. Again, this was with tea stain paper. This was also like a little tag that was under here, like this one with the boo with the witch's hat. And here we have a double pocket with the witch and the trick-or-treat. This one is also from the ephemera kit. This is also from the ephemera kit, and this is also from the ephemera kit. And we have like little trim here. Here again we have a charm with a bat and some pumpkins, and we have a hidden pocket with some more. This is also the double tag from the Paper Perk number 38, and this is again from Fussy Cuts on that Paper Perk number 38. So this one has two sides. This one has a pocket in the front, and then it opens up like a flap to the sides. And there is a pocket here. And there is a pocket here with a tag. Again, this is from the paper kit, and this is from the ephemera kit. Another lace. And this is my boo charm that I made. With a top pocket here with a belly band, and this opens up like this. Again, lots of room to add photos and whatever writing. This is the 1-inch circles from the ephemera kit. And our final page, we have another pocket here with some hidden pockets. These are all the leftovers that I had. So I made a little booklet and another journaling spot. These are all leftovers. And again, another zine with a pocket, another pocket, And another pocket you can fill with whatever you want. And this dangle is one of my favorite, with the bones and the little skull. So I really hope you like this tutorial of how to create the basic mini album for any size, and then you can go ahead and decorate it with the paper collection, with the ephemera kit, with the paper perks, and have a really fun Halloween. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.